Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best benefits of using PayPal working capital versus a traditional loan, based on my own experience as a business owner who has used both. For a small business like mine, accessing capital quickly and without a huge hassle is everything. That's where PayPal working capital really shines over a traditional bank loan. The first and most immediate benefit is the speed and simplicity of the application process. With a traditional bank, I faced endless paperwork, lengthy approval times, and often had to put up collateral. With PayPal, I applied online in minutes, and because they already knew my business history through my PayPal sales, I got an approval decision and had the funds in my account almost instantly, sometimes within minutes. There was no extensive underwriting or agonizing wait. The second major benefit is the flexible repayment structure. This is a game changer for businesses with fluctuating sales. A traditional loan demands fixed, often weekly or monthly, payments regardless of your cash flow. If you have a slow month, you still owe the same amount. PayPal working capital, however, deducts a set percentage of your daily PayPal sales. If I have a great sales day, I pay more toward the loan. If sales are slow, I pay less. This flexibility has genuinely saved my business during slower seasons because my repayment adjusts automatically to my revenue. Finally, let's talk about the cost and transparency. Traditional loans often involve complex interest rates, hidden fees, and even prepayment penalties. PayPal working capital charges a single, fixed fee that is disclosed up front. I know the exact total cost of the loan before I even accept the funds, and that fee does not change. There are no periodic interest charges, no late fees, and no penalties for paying off early. This fixed, transparent cost made budgeting so much easier for me compared to the uncertainty of a traditional interest-bearing loan. In my experience, the combination of speed, flexible repayment tied to sales, and clear, fixed costs makes PayPal working capital an exceptional tool for small business owners who process sales through PayPal, especially when compared to the rigid, time-consuming process of a traditional bank loan. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.